Hello, how are you, 10th grade? I hope that all of you are okay. Welcome back to Unit 5, Grammar, page 55. So, let us make a quick revision about our grammar. We talked about the same rule in the first semester, inversion or inverted subject and verb. Inversion, which mean to change the position between the subject and the verb. As you know, the sentence starts as subject plus verb plus blah 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 and the complement. When I say inversion, that means how to put the verb before the subject, and in this case we can't put the verb before the subject just in a few cases. شيء مش طبيعي تقديم الفعل على الفاعل. So, in the first semester, we talked about many conditions that we can change the verb and put it before the subject. كانت واحدة منهم when we put the adverbial place at the beginning of the sentence. إذا متذكرين لما حكينا عن الظرف المكان, when I put it at the beginning of the sentence, you can put the verb before the subject. Another case also we talked about when we talked about direct speech, we put the quotation, and here we can put she said and said she. Both of them are correct. This is a quick revision. You can revise the worksheet Unit 1 Grammar. You can find it, okay? And here today I'm going to talk about a new condition, a new cases that we can make inversion. Inversion هو قلب الفعل مع الفاعل. قصدي بالقلب. Put the verb before the subject. Let's start. When you put certain words كلمات محددة or phrases at the beginning of the sentence, the subject and verb can be inverted. Now, as you see here, you will notice بالفصل الأول we talked about adverbial place, ظروف المكان, ظرف المكان, up the stage or up the fence, up, down, out. Okay? Now, as you see here, all of the words we will talk about them, they will be what? Adverb. But you have to memorize them. حفظ. منهم scarcely, hardly, poorly, no sooner. As you see here, we put scarcely at the beginning. Surely we put what? This is the verb and this is he, the subject. So, scarcely, hardly, poorly, no sooner, all of these words can invert the verb with the subject. Another example. So, this is number 1. Number 2. Rarely, seldom, scarcely, hardly, ever, never. You can notice each group nearly the same meaning. Rarely have I, have, verb, I, subject. As you see here, we inverted them. 3. Under no circumstance. تحت أي ظروف. No, on no account, ليس بالحسبان. Nearly the same meaning. This is number 3. This is number 1. Yes. 4. Not only, neither, nor. Also you can notice here, not only, this is the adverb is verb he subject, so we inverted them. 5 only then, only now, only after, only when. 6 little. Little, when it comes at the beginning of the sentence, you can invert the subject and the verb and put the verb then the subject. Yes. 7 so plus adjective or adverb, and that. It is like a phrase. This is a phrase. So great, as you see here. So great, it is what? Adjective. And that, you can invert the verb and the subject. So great, adjective, was verb, her subject, her surprise كاملة subject, and it should followed with that. لازم نتبعها بذات. So will here it is what? Adverb. So with adjective or adverb, both of them. Yes. Now lastly, with simple tenses, use the auxiliaries do, does, and did. Inversion is often used in formal language, اللغة الرسمية. بس ملاحظة لهاي الجملة. With simple tenses, I mean with it when I change the sentence, like he visited his uncle. This is sentence. How do you know that it's sentence? Subject plus verb. Now if you want to make it a question, you need what? Did he visit? So as you see here, we put the verb then the subject. In this case, when you change the sentence into question, we inverted the subject with the verb and put the verb at the beginning of the sentence. I hope so you find the grammar piece of cake. It's like a revision about what we talked about in the first semester. So please study it very well and you can answer the workbook. Bye bye.